Model, 67-plate Fiat Ducato Boxer Relay Maxi 2.3 HDI 16-valve Multijet 2-camper starts runs engine knocking Euro 6. Body, white, panel van, camper. Mileage, 142360. MOT, the 29th of September 2025. Engine, 2287 CCF1 AGL 411D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, so will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.